Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems out there, the NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system and the TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system. We'll be evaluating both products in various categories to help you make an informed purchase decision. So, if you're in the market for a new mesh Wi-Fi system, make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like this. When it comes to coverage, NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system outperforms TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system with coverage up to 6,000 square feet and up to 40 devices. TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system, on the other hand, covers up to 5,500 square feet and 200 devices. So, if you have a larger house or more devices, NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system might be the better option. Both products offer super fast Wi-Fi speed with Wi-Fi 6 technology. However, TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system has the edge with a total speed of 5,400 Mbps, while NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system offers a speed of AX 3000 gigabit. So, if you're into uninterrupted streaming, HD video gaming, and web conferencing, TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system might be a better choice. Both products are compatible with any internet service provider up to 2 Gbps, including cable, satellite, fiber, and DSL. And they both connect to your existing cable modem and replace your Wi-Fi router, so there's not much difference here. Both products offer easy setup and management with their respective apps. However, TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system offers a more intuitive app with clear visual guidance. Plus, it works with Alexa, so you can turn on or off guest Wi-Fi with voice commands. NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, on the other hand, has a more stripped-down app but gets the job done. Both products offer security features such as WPA Personal, WPA2 Personal, and WPA3 Personal. But NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system takes it up a notch with their NETGEAR Armor feature, which automatically protects all your connected devices with a 30-day free trial. And with their smart parental controls, you can promote healthy internet habits among kids. TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system also offers AI-driven mesh to deliver smart Wi-Fi that follows you wherever you are without interruption. And that's it for our comparison video. Both the NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system and TP-Link Deco AX 5400 mesh system are great products in their respective ways. It all comes down to your preferences and needs. So which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching.